This is a drill called Detour 3 on 2. It's called Detour because forwards 1, 2, and 3, which you can see here, forwards 1, 2, and 3 essentially leave the zone, but on their way out of the zone, they each take a detour and they each leave at different times. So the key to this drill is knowing how to skate out of the zone and knowing when to leave. Let's look at skater number 1 first. Skater 1 leaves first with no puck. At this point, they receive a pass from these D guys over here. Okay? They take that puck, and at about this moment, and I'll put a little X, at about that moment, they shoot. Player 1 shoots. But then player 1 continues around this circle, comes down and cuts up the zone just on the other side of the circle, meaning, other side of that circle. Okay? I put an X here to remind you of something, and that is, when does skater 2 leave? Skater 2 leaves at the moment that this shot is taken. All right? The path that skater 2 takes is as follows. Skater 2 takes off, does a similar circle. At this moment, skater 2 also receives a pass from this D. In other words, this is a second puck coming into play. Skater 2 takes that puck, and just like skater 1, skater 2 takes a shot at about this area. Then skater 2 comes down low and is really, kind of think of it as a winger coming up for a breakout pass, which will come from a different spot. Skater 3. Skater 3 leaves when this second shot from skater 2 gets taken. Skater 3 takes a pretty easy path, just breaks out of the zone and comes up the middle. All right. If the timing's done just right, by the time this skater gets the puck back, and I'll show you how they get a puck back, we should have a pretty good breakout line going between those three skaters. Now, how does this skater get the puck back? That is done as follows. First of all, these D are working with the pucks, and as soon as they pass to skater 2, remember they're passing to skater 1, and then they're waiting, and then the D pass to skater 2. As soon as that pass is done, this D will take a puck and skate around the net and time it where they can get a pass to skater 2 here. All right. At that point, these three skaters, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, break out into the neutral zone and quickly work their way back in. They should be considering doing things like crossing paths in order to get back in the zone quickly. All right. When they break in, these 2D defend against those three players in a 3-on-2. So, just a brief summary, and of course, some of this is written over here. Basically, you have skater 1 taking this path, they get a puck, they shoot, they skate around again, they cut up around those circles. Skater 2 skates around, they get a pass, they shoot, but they do not go around the circle a second time. They cut up more along the boards in this area. Skater 3, when that second shot is taken, skates up into the center of the ice. All three of these skaters break out into the neutral zone and get back into the zone 3-on-2 against these 2D. It's important that this D who's passing the puck remembers that once they pass to player 2, they take a puck, skate around the net, and time out a pass that will go to skater 2. And that's how these three players end up with the puck to come back in 3-on-2 against both of these defensemen. That is Detour 3-on-2.